Guys, so I just finished a job. Sometimes mistakes happen, so our shinglers or laborers, I don't know, well, I'm gonna say shinglers because I'm just looking at some gun nails right now. Well, we got fascia metal. Overall the job looks really good, but they completely fucking hacked up all this. See this wall metal there? That's hacked. Okay, so that's a bad install on that. Look at that. That's fucking disgusting, actually. Anyways, we got one more wall over here. This one I don't think is quite as bad, but because I have to change the first one, I'm obviously gonna have to change this one as well. So, this one doesn't look as bad, but it's still a little bit banged up. We'll get this all. I'm gonna bend up some new metal. I just picked it up this morning. Cashmere white. I'll put this fascia metal in and some downpipes, and then we'll call her good. Oh, I'm gonna also do this. Lady asked me if I wanted to paint her obelisks for her. So there you go. You got an obelisk. So we're gonna go ahead and get these painted up for her, make her happy, and then yeah, nice job. So this is what we usually do when you get these houses and they have the strip flashing like that along on the roof. So when the guys are gonna go ahead and they probably, they nail it down with their thing. So I usually just come in with bend up some little strip flashing, and then I just screw it in like that there. It gives it a neater look. Right? That way you don't have to see caulking all over the place, and everything looks brand new. Okay, so here it goes, all done. This is how you collect a check. Guys hacked up the metal and made up some new stuff, and now we're gonna call it good. Now I'm going to go home and I'm gonna drink some fucking beer. Alright guys, I'm off to do shingle repair. This particular one, we got guys shingling over top of plywood that's concaved in. It was probably originally dry rotted. Roofers didn't give a shit and shingled right over top of it. So I'm gonna go rip off the shingles, change the plywood, re-shingle it, and put a new vent in.